A home with excellence, resilience, and community that molds leaders who rise with integrity and serve with a heart. Today, I carry that legacy forward. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your Budbud Festival King, Ken Brian Cadorna Sena 16.
Raised by a school devoted to nurturing character. Brilliance and exceptional skills where discipline, compassion, and the power of love is the core of its nature. I am an epitome of a true Filipino woman with a unique and youth and personality. A true Dalagang Titayanon at your Budbud Festival Queen! This is Shirley J. Serna Malacar, 50. And we are proud,
Honor
and dignified to
to represent Domingo Ledesma Mapa High School. Lagi kayo tunay, mahati, maayo na itulong. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Sa tanang panahon, langit ka ayong kanon. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Isakto ang kagamit, ikalan ang magamit. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Hindi makatanggaw, hindi makabala. Lingkot na usapo, lagi ang kagamit. Sa tuwang nilakong, dili ka sumuro. Tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Mahalik, mahalik, mahalik na itulong. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Sa tanang panahon, lagi tayo kanon. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Sa tanang panahon, lagi tayo kanon. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Isakto ang kagahit, ikalan ang malamig. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Hindi makatanggaw, hindi makabala. Lingkot na usapo, lagi ang kagamit. Lagi ka po, lagi sa pagpapitulong. Puso ka tulay, napangkalitilay. Sa tuwang nilatong, hindi ka sumuro. Tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Mahalot ako, mahalot na itulong. Ang tungkol sa tanay, lagi kayo tunay. Sa tanang panahon, lagi tayo kanon. Ang bukan lungay ang tunay. Sa tanang sa tanay, tungkol sa tanay.
Ay ang budbud sa tanay, ikan sa lugar di ng kultura o kabiling, saktong gipabilhan.
Pinaagi sa pagtanyag o talento o kakugi sa among minamahal na syudad sa tanay.
Ako si Husnil Taygun Kasay, di si Shete.
Ako si Chris Ann Alberio Magaso, 17.
Mapasigan buong representar ang Lourdes Ledesma Delgado Memorial National High School. Budbud sa tanay,
Ako Kine!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Budbud Festival of Tanay City, a celebration of beauty, talent, and school pride.
Today, we are going to shine as ambassadors and ambassadors of our school's values, excellence, confidence, and culture.
Today, we will dazzle you with our confidence, creativity, and pride as we represent not only ourselves, but the vibrant culture and excellence of Rufino Aguilar Memorial High School.
This event is a reminder that our school, Rufino Aguilar Memorial High School, continues to grow, thrive, and empower every learner to shine in their own way. So, sit back, cheer loud, and enjoy.
Let's celebrate unity, talent, and the unstoppable spirit of our school community. I am Carlo Macasulig,
And I am Shamika Nicole E. Rodriguez,
proud and honored to represent Novalias Tanay City, Rufino Aguilar Memorial High School. Thank you and mabuhay!
From Tanay National High School. This festival is not just a celebration, but a tribute to our people, to our heritage, and to the timeless delicacies that unites every Tayananan. The one and only, Budbud sa Tanay. I am Dan Zykel Gloria Rosales, 16, proud to represent as Budbud King with honor and great joy.
Our Budbud tells a story of patience, tradition, and love. A tale that reminds us home will always be Tanay. I am Samantha Nicole Torres Orashon, 15, representing the strength, spirit, and elegance of every Tanayanon. Deeply grateful to serve as the queen of Budbud Festival. Together, we carry the name
The pride,
and the colors. As your king and queen, we stand not just a representative, but a voices of our youth, symbol of our culture, and ambassadors of the pride that lives in every Tanayanon's heart.
once again, I am Dan Zykel Gloria Rosales.
And I am Samantha Nicole Torres Orashon, your king and queen of Budbud Festival 2025 from Tanay National High School.
Dalaygo ng Diyos!
Dalaygo ng Tanhay!
Viva
Tanhay!
Viva Budbud
Festival!
Let us all welcome Tanghai Legislated High School.
Serbisyong Pinay! Mayong hapon malambong syudad sa Tanay! Ako, si Shanwasi Ibanez, 15 anyos.
Ako si Ashley Cole Vergara! 16 anos!
May pasigabong nagrepresenta sa tulungaan na naghulma sa pagtugang ambisyon sa mga kabatanunan.
Hanggang ipatilog ang tamang talento! Inuwalan sa gumang pagrespeto!
Ang tumaan ng Bato sa Tanay! Tanay Legislated High School! This is